I hit the tag icon and it brings up Delicious information here, and it's got the URL, it's got a description. We put in some notes and some tags separated by a space and then save it. So we've basically entered a short note description here, and we've tagged it with a few tags we felt are relevant to the subject, and we hit save, and it's been saved to Delicious. If I now go back into my account that a minute ago showed I had nothing item showing, you can now see that it's now showing the only item, and it's got information about it. Just quickly, we give you an overview here. You've got the settings section here, and from here you can change your password, your email, you can edit your profile, you can import bookmarks that you've already got saved. You've got private saving, you've got RSS license and Facebook integration. This one is worth having a good read through. It's great to integrate it with Facebook. As you can see here, Publish can publish information about your bookmarks to your Facebook profile. Again, if you're combining the two together here, so for example, if you are writing in a certain niche and you've got your Facebook profile created to it as well, then the information you're gathering from Delicious, you can actually post it into, as you can see, a little now example of your Facebook account. So it's a way of getting it to appear in different places. You can rename tags, delete tags, bundle tags. You can set up your network privacy. You can report spam. And blogging here, you've got network badges, link roles, tag roles. So if we quickly look at the network privacy, you're basically saying whether or not you're allowing other people to look at your network. So if you click your network, you can see the information that you've saved. And at the moment, we've not got anything at all in here. So it says, what is your network? Your network connects you to other Delicious users, friends, family, even new people you can run across while exploring. You can add people to your network and keep track of them. Learn about using your network here. So you can look in that one. Your network connects you to other Delicious users. You can manage your network by going to your network at the top of the page or by visiting Delicious Network. Your network is visible to others by default. If you don't want others to see whom you're connected to, you can actually change it and make it private. So this is basically people within your network, which I would normally leave as it is. So if you use subscriptions, note that your network is how you can in effect subscribe to a user. Network badges, if you want to tell people who read your blog about your Delicious network, you can use a JavaScript network badge. So you can actually place a badge on your blog which then shows your network within Delicious. And here you can see link roles. So once you've started adding your, like here I did the Adobe a minute ago, we can actually have this be displayed and part of our website. So what we could do is we can choose to show however many items we've got, whether we want to show tags, and then you can show your username in your network if you like, add me to your network, links so people can be added to your network. And then like here we've got a preview. So on your actual site you'll have your latest Delicious information that you've been tagging coming up on your website. So again, great way of getting the traffic. By having this preview on your website, basically all you need to do then is just focus on updating Delicious on a regular basis with tagging and sites and articles of yours, and then on other sites this would automatically be updated. So it's a good way of sharing content. You could even use this and post it into something like your Squidoo Lens if you wanted to. The actual point here of Delicious, as I've got here, the guide to sharing bookmarks, is one thing you can do is actually tell people about your public bookmarks. So if you've created a name like we have here, you could just send people to this username and then they can keep up track with you. If you wanted to have a specific tag, so say you'd written a certain tag about certain things, you can send people to a specific tag link within your group, and they can then view your information. The other great thing here is you can convert it to RSS feeds, which anyone can subscribe to. And the great thing then is people, as they're finding and discovering your work or your reports or your social bookmarking, they can add you to their network, which means they can then see your latest links without having to visit your page directly, which means they just get updated. So this is a great way to build a following to your particular niche and then ultimately drive traffic back to your websites. So it can be used a number of ways, and the great thing is you can do this from any PC just by logging into your Delicious account, so you don't have to be based at your home PC. Easy to use. And if we just go back, I mean, for example, if I hit here on recent, you can see the recent posts that people have been putting onto Delicious. And if you look here, you can see popular tags in different niches. So Web 2.0 is a popular tag that people are liking to write about. And if you look down here, what I want a social media expert to know. Someone writing here about Twitter. There's all sorts of things here, and again, if people would like to let's click friend feed. You can see it's basically promoting a site directly, so people are using this as a tool all the time to grow their traffic back to their websites. The other thing about sites such as Delicious is they do appear in the search engine results for people like Google. So again, it's all about building links back to your website from what's considered to be high ranking and authority sites on the topics and niches that you want to be on. Combine this with other social traffic networking sources and you can see good traffic over a good time, and you can then start benefiting from that in the long term. Thanks for watching.